students, my name is Siddesh Narashet. I am from Annara. So last class we discussed about a topic from 8th standard, that is constructing a quadrilateral. In constructing quadrilateral we already discussed about when four sides, length of four sides and one diagonal is given. So let us move on to the next topic, that is constructing a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. As constructing a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. Three sides are given. The two diagonals and three sides are given. Yes. So compared to the last one, there are four sides we have and one diagonal. Here another diagonal is joined, and here two diagonal we have and three sides. That means compared to the previous one side is less here. So that means we have three sides. From the given things we have to construct a quadrilateral. So go through the procedure. So from the procedure we can construct quadrilateral. So here we have to discuss the procedure to construct this quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given by taking some of the examples. So here it is an example for constructing a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. So just observe here, it's a ABCD quadrilateral. So in that we have three sides, that is BC is equal to 4.5 cm, AD is equal to 5.5 cm, CD is equal to 5 cm. Another one side is there, AB, so we don't have that length. And then two diagonals are given, that is AC is equal to 5.5 cm, BD is equal to 7 cm. So we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. For that what we have to do? So we have to construct a rough sketch before, because of visualizing all the things. So we have to label all the things in that rough sketch. So what is the procedure over here? So firstly we have to go with the procedure. So procedure. So firstly I will take draw rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch for visualizing the quadrilateral. Visualizing quadrilateral. Yes. So from the known things we have to construct any quadrilateral, whether it is square or whether it is rectangle, whatever it may be, you can take. So just draw the rough sketch here. Yes. Here I will take like this. It's a rough sketch because of only visualizing our aims. So I will draw two diagonals because here we have two diagonals, because that's why I am writing two diagonals in the rough sketch. Yes, these are the two diagonals. After that, just name anything. So because there is no any restriction of only one diagonal, so we can take only one diagonal. There is no restriction. You can take randomly ABCD. So here, then label all the things here. BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and AB we didn't know. So here there is no any length given for AB. So neglect that one. Then here AD is given. AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then CD is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the length of AC? AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. It is 5.5 centimeter. And BD is equal to 7 centimeter. BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So from the known things we have to construct a quadrilateral. After that what we have to do? So select one diagonal. Firstly we have to select one diagonal So and draw that diagonal first. So before in last concept also, so we draw a diagonal first. Here also we have to draw one of the triangle diagonal. So what is the second step here? So draw a diagonal of required length. Draw a diagonal of required length. Yes. So here you have to select one of the diagonal. That means here there are two diagonals are there. So you have to select one of the diagonal, whether it is BD or AC. So I will select AC. So here it is having 5.5 centimeters. So that's why I am taking that diagonal here. So you can select another diagonal also. So here I will take the diagonal AC having 5.5 centimeter of length. So here I will take 5.5 centimeter here. Yes. So here it is a length of 5.5 centimeter, one of the diagonal of this quadrilateral, that is AC. So after drawing, so we have to label all the things. It is having the length of 5.5 centimeter. Yes. After that, what you have to do compared to the previous cases? So there we selected one of the side of the diagonal, whether it is above the diagonal or below the diagonal. So likewise here also we have to select above the diagonal or below the diagonal. But just observe here, in above the diagonal the two sides are given. So that means we know the length of two sides. But just observe below the diagonal, so one length is absent here. Here one length is absent. So that's why we can't take the below the diagonal here. So that's why we have to select the above the diagonal only. So in that what we have to do? So we have to select one of the side and take a length of that side and draw a curve. So likewise previously we did that one. So likewise we have to do here. So here what we have to do, take a length of one side, take a length of one side, take a length of one side and draw a curve. Draw a curve from the compass. Draw a curve from the compass. Yes. So here what you have to do, just take the length of one side. That means here we have to must select the above the diagonal only, because when we are taking the below the diagonal means the one side is absent here. So that's why we can't select the below the diagonal, we have to select one above the diagonal only. In above the diagonal we have to select one of the side. So here I will select the length AD. So here the AD of length 5.5 centimeter, take a length of 5.5 centimeter here. So here I will take the length of 5.5 centimeter. Yes. So in your notebook you have to select the exact measurement. So locate on the required point A. So required point from A only. So we have to draw a side AD. So here what you have to do, just take a curve. Just take a curve like this. Then what you have to do, take a length of adjacent side. So here the fourth procedure is, take a length of adjacent side, take a length of adjacent side, and after that we have to cut the previously drawn curve. Then adjacent side and cut the previously drawn curve. Here, what is the adjacent side here? So AD we already did. So here the adjacent side is CD. So we have to take the length of CD. After that we have to cut the previously drawn curve. CD is of 5 centimeter. So just take the length of 5 centimeter. it's a 5 centimeter. Then locate on the required point and then cut the previously drawn curve here. Then what you have to do? So just label it. So it's a point D. So it's our required point D. Then we have to join the side. Firstly join AD. And then join C. So then what you have to do? So just label it. So here it is 5.5 centimeter. Then it is 5 centimeter. Yes. So here one part of the construction is over. So it's like previous method only. So here there is no any another side because AB is absent here. That means AB, length of AB we don't know. So here we know only the BC, the another side and the another diagonal we know that. So for that what we have to do is, so we have to take the length of another diagonal here. So take a length of another diagonal here. Simultaneously we have to cut a curve or draw a curve from the compass. That is, the fifth one procedure is take a length of another diagonal. Take a length of another diagonal and draw a curve. Using compass. Yes. So what is the length of another diagonal here? BD is of 7 centimeter length. Take a 7 centimeter length here. Yes. Take a 7 centimeter of length. It's a 7 centimeter length and locate on the required point. So it means, so we have to take a length from BD only. So that's why. So we have to take a length. So first we locate on the point D here. After that what we have to do? Just draw a curve like this. Yes. So here I draw a curve for the diagonal. So then what we have to do is, so we have to select one of the length of side below the diagonal. So here just observe, in below the diagonal AB is absent. So we don't know the length of AB. So here we have to select the length of BC. So after that what we have to do? Take a length of BC 4.5 centimeter. Then after that we have to cut the previously drawn curve for the diagonal. So in the sixth step what we have to do? So we have to take a length of third side and cut previously drawn curve. Yes. So what is the length of BC? So the length of BC is 4.5 centimeter. Take a length of 4.5 centimeter here. Yes. This is the length of 4.5 centimeter. In your notebook you have to take the correct measurement. So here after that what you have to do? Just locate on required point C. So then cut the previously drawn curve like this. Yes. So after that what you have to do? So it's our required point, that is B. So we have to take a point B here. After that join all the sides. That is, so firstly I will join BC. Yes. Then after that we have to join AB. Here we have to join AB. Then also we have to join BD. Yes. So this is our required quadrilateral. So we have to label all the things in the quadrilateral. Here, what's the length of BC here? That is 4.5 centimeter. Then what is the length of AB? We don't know, so just neglect it. So then what's the length of BD? It is 7 centimeter. And what's the length of AC? It is 5.5 centimeter. So we have to label all the things in the quadrilateral here. So this is the method to draw a quadrilateral or construct a quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. You can take any other examples for that. So just go through the procedure and draw and construct a quadrilateral. So let us take another one example. Yes, so here it is another example for constructing a quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. So it's a PQRS quadrilateral. So here 2 diagonals are given and 3 sides are given here. What are the 3 sides here? PQ, QR and RS. What are the 2 diagonals here? PR and SQ. Just go with the procedure. Firstly we have to draw the rough sketch for that. So it's a PQRS quadrilateral. So here what are the lengths we have to draw? Firstly PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, and then QR is given, it is 6 centimeter. Then RS is given, it is 5 centimeter. Then PR diagonal is given, PR is equal to 7 centimeter is given, it is 7 centimeter. Then SQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter, it is 5.5 centimeter, it is given. So after that what you have to do? So take the same procedure. After that just draw a diagonal of required length, any one of the diagonal. So you can select. So here one is SQ is there, another is PR is there. You can take any diagonal here. So previously we take the AC diagonal. Here also we can take any one of the diagonal. So here I will take SQ diagonal. So it's of 5.5 centimeter. So there also it is a 5.5 centimeter. So that's why we can take 7 centimeter. So take the 7 centimeter of length of diagonal, that is PR, we can select here. So here we can select the 7 centimeter of length using a meter scale. Yes. This is a length of one diagonal, that is PR, that is of 7 centimeter of length. It's of 7 centimeter length. So after that what you have to do? Just select any one side of the diagonal, that is above, whether it is above the diagonal or below the diagonal. Just observe here. So PR. So just observe it above the diagonal. Here one side is absent. We don't know the length of one side. So for that what you have to do? Just observe in the below diagonal. So here PQ is known thing and QR is also known thing. So that's why we have to select the below the diagonal here. So in below the diagonal what you have to do? Just go with the procedure, that is take a length of one side and draw a curve from the compass. That is just take a length of one side. So I will take PQ length first. So PQ is of 4 centimeter. So here, yes, take a length of 4 centimeter here. Yes. Then locate on the required point. So we want PQ now. So that's why we have to take it on 4 centimeter first. So here I will draw a curve like this. Yes. Then what we have to do? So take a length of adjacent side. There adjacent side we have to take a length of adjacent side and cut the previously drawn curve. What is the adjacent side for this PQ? In the below the diagonal, that is QR only. So take a length of QR, that is of 6 centimeter. So take a length of QR, that is 6 centimeter here. Yes. So locate on required point, it is R. Locate on R, then cut the previously drawn curve like this. Then what you have to do? So we have to draw a sides, join the sides here. So it's of required, that is Q it is. The point is Q. So join QR here. Yes, join QR and PQ. Here it is PQ. It is PQ. Then label all the sides. That is, what is the length of QR? QR is equal to 6 centimeter. And what is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. And then what's the next procedure? Just take a length of another diagonal and draw a curve using a compass. That is, so what's the length of another diagonal? That is SQ. SQ it is 5.5 centimeter. So we have to take a length of 5.5 centimeter from Q to S. So take a length of 5.5 centimeter here. So take a length of 5.5 centimeter. Yes, it's of 5.5 centimeter. So after that, locate on the required point. Just draw a curve. Then what you have to do? So take a one length. So one length of side. So it's of 5 centimeter. Yes, this is of 5 centimeter, and then cut the previously drawn curve. It's of third side. So after that we have to cut the previously drawn curve from the required location. That is, it's of length R. So from R, so we have to cut like this. Then what you have to do? So just join all the sides here. So here firstly we have to join. So it's a point S. Then we have to join RS here. Then we have to join ES. Then we have to join SQ. So like this. After that, label all the sides and diagonals. That is, it's of length 5 centimeter and it's of length 5.5 centimeter. PS we don't know. So these are about the procedure to draw a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given here. So I hope you enjoyed this one. So you can take any measurement of quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. So go with the procedure and draw the quadrilateral. So I hope you understood all the things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification easily. So thank you one and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.